Let's swatch 6 lipsticks and 3 glosses from GRN Shades of Nature. I like them because they don't contain microplastics or comedogenic ingredients. They were made in Germany, so they have to respect EU cosmetic norms such as not putting asbestos in makeup. I bought almost the entire range except the grapefruit and pumpkin shades, orangey shades that don't look good on me. In order, I have pinecone, rose, dragon fruit, poppy flower, pomegranate, and baccarat rose. I know, some look a bit grainy, but once applied on the skin, this disappears. It may be a case of undissolved lipids. I'm gonna present the swatches in 4 different types of light: the sun, shade, phone flash. Isn't it so that poppy flower and pomegranate look almost identical? And fluorescent light. Let's see the glosses now. I have gotten all 3 shades: rosy tulip, peach, and red plum. Rosy tulip seems to have a warm toned shimmer in it, but only if you look at it up close. My fave of these is red plum. It looks like jelly. Definitely the more light there is, the more they seem streaky, but it didn't seem like that when they were worn on the lips. I hope you found these swatches helpful, and thank you for watching.